Welcome to Saryza Factory. Let me show you how we make our tables. Each table journey starts right here with the lumber selection. Next, we move to lumber processing, where we surface each board. The processed lumber goes onto our gluing station. Next is our milling station, where our CNC here takes the glued panel and mills it perfectly into the perfect shape and edge finish. The milled tabletops need to be sanded, and we do it right here. Using different sandpapers, we get the surface really smooth and to absolute perfection. And this will be the last step here, the finishing. We use Rubio Monocoat. We hand buff 2 layers of the oil. If you have any questions, contact myself or our team at Saryza, and I hope you purchase the table really soon.